The young one go for cow is called a cow. The young one go for a cat is called a kitten. The young one go for duck is called a duck. The young one go for lion is called a cub. The young one go for horse is called a cow. The young one go for sheep is called a lamb. The young one go for hen is called a chicken. The young one go for dog called a puppy.